Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Welcome to our maths class. Okay, today we are going to learn about a new chapter, that is shapes. Our new chapter is shapes. Okay, in our surroundings different kinds of objects are there with different shapes. Okay, today we are going to learn about the plane shapes and solid shapes. We are going to learn about the plane shapes and solid shapes. Okay, our first topic is plane shapes. Our first topic is plane shapes. Okay, so these are the plane shapes. These are the plane shapes. Okay, so the first one is rectangle. So I have a, this is rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle. What is the shape? Rectangle. So how many sides in rectangle? How many sides? Yes, 4 sides are there. How many sides? 4 sides. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. How many sides? 4 sides. This is the sides. Okay. Next is corners. This is the corner. That 2 lines are meeting at a point, that is corner. This is the corner. So how many corners in rectangle? How many corners? Yes, 4 corners are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 corners are there. Okay. And what is the characteristic? The opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides. The opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Okay. So what is the first shape? Yes, first shape is rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners and the opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal. Okay. So the next is square. Okay. So this is the square shape. This is the square shape. So the same case, how many sides are in square shape? How many sides are there? Yes, 4 sides are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many sides in square? 4 sides. How many corners? And this is the corner. So how many corners in square? Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners are there. 4 corners are. And what is the characteristics? All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal in square. Okay? Is it clear that? So, square has 4 sides, 4 corners and all the sides are equal. Okay. So, the next one is triangle. So, the next one is triangle. Do you know what is the shape of triangle? Yes, this is the triangle shape. So, how many sides are there in triangle? 3 sides are there. 1, 2 and 3. Is it clear? 1, 2 and 3 sides in triangle. Okay. How many corners are there? This is the corner. 1, 2 and 3 corners. So 3 sides and 3 corners. All the sides are, each side may or may not be equal. Sometimes the sides are equal. In some triangle, the sides are not equal. Okay. And this is about the triangle. So our last one is circle. Okay. This is a circle. Okay. So what is the specialty? It has no sides in circle and no corners. So in circle there is no sides and no corners. It is rounded in shape. What is the shape of a circle? Yes, round shape. So today first we are learn about the plane shapes. And what are the plane shapes? Yes, the rectangle, square, triangle and circle. I think you had understood the shapes, the plane shapes, its sides, its corners, everything. Is it clear? Okay. Next we are going to learn about the solid shapes. Okay. Next we are going to learn about the solid shapes. Okay. So the next one is, yes, we already learned about the plane shapes. Now we are going to learn about the solid shapes. Okay, we are going to learn about the solid shapes. So the first one is cuboid. What is the first solid shape? Cuboid. And this is a cuboid shape. Okay, can you see this? This is a cuboid shape. So the first one is corners. There are 8 corners are there. 8 corners. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 8 corners in cuboid. 6 faces are there. How many faces? 6 faces. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you understand? How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 6 faces in cuboid. How many edges are there? 12 edges. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many edges? 12 edges. Okay? So what is the speciality? The opposite faces of cuboid have the same shape and size. The opposite faces of the cuboid have same size and shape, like this. This is the opposite side. Okay? The opposite sides is, okay? So the opposite sides are same shape and size. Okay? And this is the cuboid. How many corners in cuboid? 8 corners, 6 faces and 12 edges. And that is cuboid. Okay? So the first one is cuboid. 8 corners, 6 faces and 12 edges. Okay? The opposite faces of cuboid have the same shape and size. The next one is cube. Okay? So this is a cube shape. Okay? Next, how many corners in cubes? How many corners? 8 corners are there. 8 corners. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like the cuboid, the cube also have 8 corners. How many corners? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 corners. 6 faces. Which are the faces? Yes, 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. Next one is edge. 12 edge. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many edges? 12 edges. What is the characteristic? That is, all the faces of a cube are square shaped. All the faces of a cube are square shaped and have the same shape and size. Have a look. All the faces, 6 faces are there. All the faces are square shaped. All the faces of cube are square shaped. Is it clear? And in cuboid, all the faces are rectangle shaped. That is the difference between the cube and cuboid. The faces are rectangle shaped and in cube the faces are square shaped. Is it clear? Both have 8 corners, 6 faces and 12 edges. Okay? So our next one is cylinder. And this is a cylinder shape. Okay? This is a cylinder shape. How many corners are there? No, there is no corners. Okay? Next, faces. 3 faces are there. Okay? 3 faces are there. That means one curved faces and 2 flat surface. In cylinder, there are 3 faces, 1 curved surface and two flat surface. Is it clear? So our third is cylinder. It has no corners. Faces are 3, that is 2, 1 curved faces and 2 flat surface. Edge, 2 edge are there. Okay, 2 edge are there. 2 edge in cylinder. Okay, is it clear? Okay. The next one is cone shaped. I have something in my hand. What is this? Yes, it's a birthday hat. What is the shape? What is the shape? Yes, this is cone shape. Okay, this is cone shape. I have another one. This is a cone shape. Okay, and what is the speciality? How many corners are there? In a cone, there is one corner, and this is the corner. Okay, and in hat, this is the corner. Okay. How many faces are there? How many faces? Yes, 2 faces. One flat surface and one curved surface. This is flat surface and curved surface. Is it clear? Okay. So this is the cone shape. How many edge? There is only one edge in cone. Okay. So our fourth one is cone shape. It has one corner, 2 faces and one edge. Okay. Cone has one flat surface and one curved surface. It has one flat surface and one curved surface. Is it clear that? Okay. So last one is sphere. What is in my hand? Yes, this is a sphere shape. Okay. In sphere there is no corner. In sphere there is no corner and faces. Yes, one face is there. Okay, one curved face. And it has no edge, and this is the sphere shape. Okay, is it clear that sphere has no corners and edges? And this is about our solid shapes. This is about our solid shapes. What are they? The first one is cuboid. Okay, it has 8 corners, 6 faces and 12 edges, and the opposite faces of cuboid have the same shape, and so that means it is made up of, yes, this rectangles. Okay, and second one is cube. Cube is made up of squares. It have the same corners, faces of edges of the cuboid, like it has 8 corners, 6 faces and 12 edges. Okay, so our next one is cylinder. This is the cylinder shape. Okay, in cylinder there is no corners, 3 faces are there, 1 curved and 2 flat surface, and it has 2 edges. Okay, our next is cone shaped. Next one is cone shaped. It has one corner. It has 1 corner and 2 faces, flat and curved. Okay, and 1 edge. Okay, it has 1 edge. The last one is sphere. It has no corners and no edges. Okay, it has only 1 surface itself. So this is about the solid shapes. Okay, is it clear that? So what are the plane shapes? Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. And what is plane shapes? What is plane shapes? What are they? Yes, cuboid, then cube. Next one is yes, cylinder, cone, and the last one is sphere. Okay, these are the shapes. The plane shapes are, yes, the rectangle. Next is yes, square. Then third one is triangle, and the last one is circle. Okay, next is solid shapes. What are the solid shapes? What are they? This is cuboid and this is cube. Next, and this is cylinder, and this one is cone, and the last one is sphere. Okay, is it clear? Okay, I think you had understood all the plane shapes and solid shapes. So page number 98, you have some work. Exercise 1A. write the number of sides and corners for each plane shape. So, the plane shapes are given. You have to write the number of sides and corners. And we write the name of solid shape for this object. Some objects are given like this. Okay, some objects are given. You have to write the shape, name of the shape. Okay. Okay. So, our first term is completed. Okay. Today, we are going to learn about the first chapter in second term. Okay. The first chapter in second term. And what is the topic? Yes, subtraction. In first term, we are learn about the addition. Okay. Today, we are going to learn about subtraction. Okay. So, I have something. I have you just imagine I have some candies. Okay. I have some candies. Okay, you just imagine this is some candies. How many candies are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have 8 candies in my hand. And I give 3 candies to my friend. I gave 3 candies to my friend. Now I have how many candies? I have now how many candies? Total 8 candies. Total 8 candies. And I give 3 candies to my friend. Now I have, yes, I gave 3 candies. Total 8 candies are in my hand, but I gave 3 candies to my friend. Now I have, yes, now we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candies in my hand. Now I have, yes, I have 5 candies. Okay, total 8 candies in my hand, but I give 3 candies into my friend. Now I have 5 candies. This is about 3 candies are subtract from the 8 candies. 3 candies are subtract from 8 candies. Okay, and this is a subtraction. Okay, we can write this A minus 3 we get 5. We can represent this number by 8 minus 3, and this is the sign of subtraction. We can tell this is minus. Okay. Okay, this is minus. So, the 8 minus 3 we get 5. Okay, and that is 8. We have 8 candies and we give 3 of them. And how many left? Yes, 5. And this is about the subtraction. And what is the sign of addition? Yes, this is the addition, plus. Now, minus, what is the sign? Yes, this is the minus sign. Do you understand? Okay, so I have another. I have some mangoes here. Okay. How many mangoes are there? How many mangoes? Total, yes, 5 mangoes are there. I give 2 mangoes to my friend. I give 2 mangoes to my friend. That means we cross 2. Okay. So, 5 minus 2 we get. Now, I have How many mangoes are there? Yes, 3. Okay. How many mangoes are left? Yes, 3. So, 5 minus 2, we get 3. Is it clear? This is about subtraction. Okay. So, our next is subtraction on the number line. In addition, we already done the addition on the number line. Today, we are going to learn about the subtraction on the number line. Okay. Our topic is subtraction on the number line. So, you already know how to draw the number line? Yes. Okay. Ten, 11, 12, 13, 14 and last one is 15. So, this is a number line. Okay. You have to done the subtraction on the number line. Example, 9 minus 2. This is your problem. You have to solve 9 minus 2 on the number line. Okay. You have to solve 9 minus 2 on the number line. So, we start from 9 and jump left 2 step back. That means, we start from 9 and we step back to 2. Okay. 1, 2. We reached it? Yes, 7. So, the answer is 7. Is it clear? This is the method of subtracting the numbers on the number line. Okay. We have another example. That is 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. So, we start from 10 and step or jump left to 4 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We reached in 6. Okay. Is it clear then? And this is the subtraction on the number line. This is the subtraction on the number line. We have another example. So, it becomes easy to understand. Okay. 12 minus 5. This is your question. 12 minus 5. So, we start from 12 and step back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We reached it? Yes, in 7. So, 7 is the answer. Okay. This is about the subtraction on the number line. So, in page number 28, you have some problem. Subtract using the number line and find the difference. Okay. Find the difference. So, the answer in a subtraction problem is called difference. The answer in a subtraction problem is called difference, and this is the symbol, that is minus and equal. You already know that. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Moving on the next topic. So, page number 28, exercise 1. Find the difference by crossing out the correct number of objects. Some objects are given. You have to cross. You have to cross the object based on the problem. I will give an example like okay. Here we can 8 minus 2. This is your problem. So, cross out the object to find out the difference. How to cross? Yes, this is 8 circles are there. you have to cross 2. Now we can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The answer is 6. Okay, like this you can solve the problems on the page number 28, the exercise 1. Okay, is it clear then? Okay. Next is 0 in subtraction. Our next one is 0 in subtraction. Zero in subtraction. First property is 0 minus 0 is, sorry, 0 minus 0 is, yes, 0. When 0 is subtracted from 0, the answer is 0. Next one is number the number minus 0 is equal to the number. That is 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Okay. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. And this is the 0 in addition, 0 in subtraction, second one. And third one is number minus number is equal to 0. It is 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So, when a number is subtracted from the same number, the answer will be, the difference is, yes, 0. And this is about the 0 in subtraction. This is about the 0 in subtraction. Okay. And our next topic is subtraction without regrouping. Subtraction without regrouping. Subtraction without a regrouping. So, first one is (38 minus 3). Okay. So, this is the ones column and this is the tens column. First, you have to subtract the ones column, the numbers in the ones column, then in tens column. So, first one is 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is, yes, this is 8 and 8 minus 3 is, yes, 5 and here 3. Okay. When a number is subtracted from 0, yes, the answer is 3. So, 35 is the answer. Okay. Next one is 45 minus 2. This is the ones column and this is the tens column. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 4. Is it clear? So, this is subtracting 2 digit, subtracting a 1 digit from a 2 digit number. So, in a subtraction problem, first you solve the ones column, then the tens column. Okay. Another example of 59 minus 6. This is the ones column, this is the tens column. Here there is no number, we can put 0 or there is no need to write. Okay. If you have any confusion, no need to write. Okay. That is 9 minus 6. 9 and minus 6. We get, yes, we get 3 here. Now, bring down the 5. So, this is the method to subtract a one digit from a 2-digit number. Okay. Next is subtracting 2 digit from a 2-digit number. Okay, subtracting 2 digit from a 2-digit number. Example, 48 minus 23. Okay, 48 minus 23. First one is, the first step is subtract the ones column. Subtract the ones column, then the tens column. So, the 8 minus 3 is 8 here and 5. Yes, 5. Next is 4 minus 2. We always subtract a smallest number from a greatest number. We always subtract a smallest number from a greatest number. So, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is, yes, 2. So, the answer is 25. So, the answer is 25. Is it clear? I have another example. I think it is very easy to solve and very interesting topic also. Next example is 45 minus 24. First one is, we have to solve the ones column. We have to solve the ones column. So, the 5 minus 4. Yes, 5 minus 4 we get, yes, 1. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 we get, yes, 2. 21. So, this is about the subtraction of 2-digit number from a 2-digit number, and the thing is that we always subtract a smallest number from a greatest number. We always subtract smallest number from a greatest number. Okay. Another example. Okay. 76 minus 34. Sorry. 76 minus 34. Here 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 we get, yes, very good, 2. And 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 we get, yes, 4. The answer is 42. So, this is the method of subtracting a 2-digit from a 2-digit number. So, page number 30 and 31, exercise 3 and 4 you have to complete from your home. Okay? And this is about today class. Today we are learn about the first the shapes, the solids and plane shapes. Next is subtraction. We are learn about a new chapter in a second term, and that is subtraction. Okay? Subtraction. In subtraction chapter we are learn about subtracting problem by crossing the object and also subtracting the numbers on the number line. Next one is subtraction in zeros. When 0 is coming under a subtraction problem, and this properties also. Next one is subtraction of 1 digit from 2-digit numbers. The last one is subtraction of 2-digit numbers from 2-digit numbers. I think you had understood all the topics that we are learning today. Okay? So, this is our winding up time, and thank you so much. You have to complete all your work from your home. Okay? Thank you.